Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do some cow print inspired nails, which I imagine is going to be huge for this summer. So give us a watch. Right, so first we're going to go in again with a nude pink and Shy Time, because we want a pretty neutral backdrop, but also a negative space look on this as well. We only need the one coat. But remember to do nice straight side walls, button it up to the cuticle, and don't forget to cap the free edge. So because we've got an overlay of the acrygel on the nails today, we don't need to use a base coat. However, if you were doing these on natural nails, you would need to put a base coat on first. Once all these fingers are done, get it into the lamp for 30 seconds. Making sure you take any off that touches the cuticle or gets on the skin. Pop that in for me. Whilst that's curing, we're going to put our colours on our palette, which is just a form. So first of all, we're going to use Serious Black, this is a little top of that, and we're going to use Snow White for our base. Just put a little bit on because I will be using the brush with that. So once that hand's out, we need the 001 brush, which is a nice thin detailer brush. Use our Snow White and go up about halfway. Mine doesn't have to be perfect because we want these all regular. Load up and finish off if it's not quite what you're wanting. As we're going for an irregular pattern, it doesn't all have to be even. And we're going to go back in with our detailer brush to finish it off. So load the brush up again. Just go over the outline to make it a bit crisper. Any bits that we may have missed. Because it's a white, we are going to go over with a second coat. Pop that in for 30 seconds for me. So when that's finished, take our brush again and go in for a second coat, just to make that white nice and bright. Because we went in with a detailer brush the first time around, it's a lot easier to get that nice straight line. Pop that one in for another 30 seconds to cure. So when that comes out, we load our brush, the detailer brush 001 again with black, and we go in for our prints. Cow prints are nice splat patterns, so there doesn't have to be any rhyme or reason to them. Because we don't want it to go over the white, make sure it's nice and crisp on that line. So again, these designs are designed so if you don't have massive amounts of confidence in nail art, you can still produce some really nice pieces. It looks really difficult to do. It's really not. So once we've finished that, pop that in the lamp for another 30 seconds to cure with that gel. So when they're done curing, we go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat and make sure we top coat those. Remembering the free edge and the side walls. Because there's more gel polish on the end, just let it settle for a second. And once they're done, pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure fully. So when they're fully cured, we're going to go in with the Nail Nails cuticle oil, pink pineapple of course, because it's my absolute favourite, and get them rehydrated. So there we have it, cow print inspired nails. All the products that we've used will be in the description box below and they'll be listed out there for you, and you can get them from the Nail Nails website. If you'd like to give us a like, give us a share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!